Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP LaserJet Pro M118dw series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP LaserJet Pro M118 DW support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results come back with an HP support page that says HP LaserJet Pro M118dw. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down underneath the support category that says software and drivers, select that tile. And then scrolling down again, you want to expand the driver product installation software section and select the HP LaserJet Pro M118dw printer full software solution. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's done extracting or downloading to your system, go ahead and open up that file. So you can close out of the web browser at this time. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device. Any applicable optional software you'd like to install, you can. And then, like I said, just follow along with the on-screen directions here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.